There's a couple of ducks floating around here sleeping. They got their heads tucked over there and they're just drifting, trying to figure out what kind they are. Oh yeah, the pond's nice and calm. This is just floating along with the breeze a little bit. Alright. I have a few of them in here. Yep, he's having a good time. I'm going to swim over to the mate now, admiring his own reflection. Almost like a mirror. There you go. Well, yeah, he can really move out when he wants to. Look at this guy going on with you. Hardly keep up with him. Oh yeah. Getting right after it. There he goes. Feeling secure now.